Hello guys, welcome. Your Excel sheet looks like it went through a cloning machine. Same names, same rows everywhere. Let's clean this under only 10 seconds. See here, there is a list of customers. Some rows are duplicated. If you sort, filter, or report like this, your data is lying with you. We need one clean list with no duplicates at all. First step is click anywhere inside your data and then press Ctrl A, and this will select everything, all of the table. Go to the top menu and click data. Then click remove duplicates. Then you have to make sure that you select all the columns, and then you have to click OK. Then boom, Excel tells you exactly how many duplicates it removed. Then this is only a sample data, but in real time you will have thousands of rows, and you can easily clean it, remove the duplicate rows using this very simple trick. No formulas, no manual deleting, just one button and boom. And make sure that you always keep a backup before removing duplicates, because once they are gone forever.